me see.
I want like square, you know what I mean?
Like that.
Tap it another one. Like that.
I know, I'm gonna do that, and then that, and then down the middle.
Okay.
I don't know why you didn't just start in the middle first.
Because you're not supposed to.
Eddie Wall.
You need to stop saying that shit.
Talaga ba?
You know, that. Oh. No, another one so they're gonna be squared.
Arte! Damn! Big bag, big bag. It's not bad.
I don't like it that much because I don't feel the like the powder.
Yeah, that's fucking gross.
I like that.
The powder. You're weird. Damn, I got